Good morning everyone. She is Samjana and she came from Scotland, UK. Came here for body contouring and we did the 360-degree lipo in her. And apart from that, Samjana is suffering from chronic neck pain and back pain. And for that we gone through the MRI scan and clinical test. After that, our holistic team and we work as a team. So at first we did liposuction 360. For that she came to India to get this procedure done. We also did the arm lipo, and apart from that we harvested fat. We also injected that fat in the zygoma to make up the loss of fat that appeared. We have not operated your spine. We only try to preserve your original spine. This medicine we injected at this multi-level spinal blocks. This will cause the fibrosis and it fibros the disc. So you will feel the less pressure on the nerves.
So now you are able to
I think this belt is like a more correct for my back. Makes me like a more straight, and this one is like very comfortable on my legs.
My advice is that continue that exercise schedule and follow up every month.
I have pain in my body, like I have experienced that. So if I see other people, they don't know what pain
in your
going
body.
through.
Yes, I can.
So sometimes like I'm quiet, like not talking myself, like it's still sitting there, feeling my pain. But now it's not there any pain.
I want you to focus on the happiness and the life, how it is in its form and shape while you can. So I just wish you that you can go back with overall happy memories from here and you focus on all the positives in your life and you will promise me that you will remain that positive and smiling always.
Thank you. Thank you for Dr. Ritesh. Thank you for Dr. IC. I came in Purple Heron Hospital in Jaipur, and I met Dr. Ritesh and Dr. IC. They are very friendly. It's like a friends, and I feel very grateful to meet them. And feel like it's not a hospital. Feel like a home. I stay here like for over a week, so feel like a home. I wish like I could stay like a forever here. And all team members are grateful here, and they help us. You won't feel any hospital. We come in here, just feel like a home, and they're friendly and very nice, and you feel welcome all the time in here. Thank you.
But I'm
Yes,
so
that
happy
is
that
good.
she's smiling and talking. That is like my day made.